Out of the top drawer, you're going to pull out one of the sticky grids, which will be green, blue, or pink, and pull off the plastic layer, placing it to the side. Next, you're going to pull out your HTV from the drawer labeled HTV in any color you want and measure out the amount you need. Place the HTV shiny side down on your sticky grid, making sure you line up the corners with a straight edge. Take note of how many inches your vinyl takes up, as you will see a replica of this grid on your Cricut program on the computer. Open the lid to the Cricut machine and press the power button. Insert your grid to the small hooks on the bottom of the machine, then press the arrow button on the Cricut machine. This will pull your vinyl and your grid into place. Connect the Cricut machine to the USB port in your computer. On your computer, search up Cricut.com to find the main website. In the top right corner, click Design. This will take you to the option of downloading the Cricut program. Download. If you're asked for a username and password, use the Riverside account. In the top right corner, choose the option to create a new design. With the grid you are presented, create any design you like. You can start by something simple like your name. When you line up your design, take note of the grid, as it is a replica of the grid you inserted into the Cricut machine. Make sure you've cut enough vinyl to match your design. Once you've created your design, you can now move on to the printing stages. If your design has writing, you must mirror the writing in this next step. You only need to do this when using HTV, heat transfer vinyl. Select the type of material you are using, HTV, everyday iron-on, and ensure your design matches your grid on your computer and the machine. Click the green Cricut symbol on the machine and watch your design print. Eject your design by pressing the arrow symbol and then pulling out your tray and grid. Peel off your design and put the plastic cover back on your grid and away in the drawer. Using the tools in the basket located in the top drawer, poke a small hole and peel away the shadow of your design. You want your design to be left remaining on the clear layer with the rest peeled away. Once your design is ready, measure a small piece of fabric from the bottom drawer to practice printing onto. Use the Cricut heat guide to search how long and how to heat up the Cricut heat press. Here you're going to be selecting Everyday Iron-On Light/Metallic. Next, we're going to be using 100% cotton, and we will be using the Cricut Easy Press Mat. This will give you all the information you need to set up your Cricut heat press, 315 degrees Fahrenheit and for 30 seconds, light pressure and flip and press for 15 seconds. Plug in your Cricut heat press if you haven't already and adjust the heat to the settings suggested by the heat guide. Once the Cricut symbol changes from orange to green, it is ready. While you're waiting, set up your station. First, your Easy Press mat, then your fabric, then your design the way you want to see it printed, and lastly, one layer of parchment paper. Once you see the heat press is ready, you can go ahead and pick it up and apply light pressure for 30 seconds. To start the timer, click the green Cricut symbol. After your 30 seconds, go ahead and flip your design to do another 15 seconds on the other side. After you've done both sides, remove the Cricut heat press and power it down. After 1 to 2 minutes of cooling, begin peeling off the plastic layer that remains. If the design starts coming off with the plastic layer, use the heat press again to apply another round of heat. Once peeling, you're done!